Aaron and Reina, you kept your wedding secret, and thank you because I'm one of the only persons that know the secret. But I'm going to apologize since I've already spread the secret for them to create a video like this.
Aaron.
Lena.
Lena.
Aaron.
Aaron.
Elena.
Elena.
Aaron.
Aaron.
Elena.
Elena. Aaron.
Surprise!
Hi! Hi, Kambal! Wala tayo dito ngayon para umiyak. Pero I just wanted to congratulate you and Aaron. Happy wedding day! Yee! At last! At last! So, welcome to the club. And we'll just be waiting for little Aaron and little Elena soon. So, yun. I wish you all the best and enjoy nyo lang every step. So, I'm really glad and happy to know that you're getting married. Parang noon lang nandun tayo sa ilog nagtatampisaw. So, yun, I'm really happy for you and we'll be waiting for your pawat-wat here sa Pinas. Mag-ingat kayo dyan sa Australia. Love you both. Bye!
Yan. May kasar kayo ito. Congrats, adik. Kami baga ay anak ano na ikasarya. English adi kaya niya taon ada dito. So to be honest, can't believe that Aaron is getting married. What? This guy. He barely talks to girls. I think he was single for almost like 2 decades. Then suddenly one day he just said, I have a girlfriend. I'm like, what? Yeah, that was just like, yesterday. When I saw the messages that he's getting married, he's 28, right? Can't believe it. But anyways, I think he was just waiting for the right moment and the right woman to come. To Elena, thank you for saving my friend from singlehood. If it weren't for you, we'll probably become a hermit. Thank you. And congratulations to both of you. And I hope you enjoy your new life. And that's all. Salamat kay Aaron nung ko'y istorya dahil kung ginumpumi na aramid mo.
Hi! Congratulations, Elena and Aaron, on your wedding. Wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness. See you soon!
To Aaron and Elena, congratulations and best wishes to your new journey together.
Aaron and Elena, congratulations on the wedding. Can't wait till Aaron Jr. comes.
Congratulations, Elena and Aaron. Sa wakas, adanti at kasarap. Titingpig ko nak magbalinta yung uncle aminan. So, God bless.
Congrats, Elena and Aaron. Yan ay garon. Be married and be merry. Bye.
Aaron and Elena, congratulations to your wedding.
Aaron and Elena, congratulations on your wedding. Aaron, nagpapinigpikan ka to, no? Gawid ka.
Hey, Uncle Aaron and Wifey, best wishes for today and beyond. Congratulations! Marami bawat-bat mo to yung Pinas.
Uy, Aaron! Congrats naikasarang gayam. Wishing you all the best in life, together with your wife.
Hi Aaron and Wifey, congratulations on your wedding and I'm wishing you all the best. Guess I'll see you around Sydney or Melbourne. See you later.
Congratulations, Aaron and Elena. Enjoy your wedding and enjoy the rest of your married life.
Hi Aaron and Elena, congratulations on your wedding day. I wish you both a happy marriage and best wishes as well on your new journey as Mr. and Mrs. Balo.
Congratulations, Aaron and Elena. Sending you our best and wishing you a lifetime of love, support, and laughter. Here's to your beautiful journey together. Cheers!
Hi Aaron and Elena, congratulations to both of you. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and happiness together. Cheers!
Hi, best friend. Congratulations on your marriage with Mara and Elena. Best wishes.
Hi, Manang Aaron! Hi, Manang Elena! Congratulations on your wedding!
Best wishes to the both of you.
Hello, Aaron and Elena. Congratulations and best wishes to both of you. Tago-tago kayo ron. Magana-gana kayo. God bless you.
Hello, good afternoon or good morning to everyone. Here is wishing both Aaron and Ellen a very, very congratulations and best wishes. Di lang maibagan ka niya yung nianusan nyo na we're not here, we are not there actually to be with you. Kunayang nga ituloy lang tayo. So how we wish nga dapat kita, opportunity ang tumapalito. To the parents of Elena, Mr. and Mrs. Kagat, thank you so much. Pagkitinulungan tayo kay Pinipini at paano mo niya mag-ipagraman din yung anak niya. Dinayon tayo mga isuwa-isuwa. Di kakabsat daman, nga dali sa Australia, kapsat ni Elena, and of course, ni Manang ni Aaron, ni Kate. Ano sa niyo, dala kayo diyan, dala kayo diyan pa rin parents ka. Di balitan mo, ada kayo ito isa tayo ito. Ulitan mo, ada kayo Pilipinas. So, may your marriage be blessed, okay? Be filled with joy and laughter. Ayan, at liko-likok pa yan. Ayan, best wishes. Ilang nayon ko kasi sana matulad nila kami na parents yun. Naurin mo niya pinigyan mo kuya yung struggles, the challenges. Nakayo lang tanong ang pagnanayon na katwa. Always ang open communication na BIT kasla makita niya na pinlas niya sa pagkasa. Congratulations, best wishes, Elena. Welcome to the family.
Hello. Good morning, good afternoon. I'm Ross Naduman. Pwede pa rin ka lang ginalaki. Alam mo ng data. Pwede pa may kada kayo. Elena ng araw. Kasal. Ano sa inyo ang kayo mga dayo, mga tinda, plano. Diba yung nahan ko mga suti, makapautag ka na yung sila palubos kami sa both parents, pati yung parents ko pinili na nang-giwan kayo kunada man na natawalan kayo matan nakada kayo rin ang desisyon nyo. Kureda kami, sila palubos kami na isuti decision nyo pag nagsakan nyo pag sabay kumadana. Straight, concentrate para di future nyo, di plano nyo. Ganun kung malumakay, kung lumakay sa kanya ni. Pag nyaman pinilunduntan yung problema, kung mga isutilapad, makadadaro di plano nyo. So kung makikitibalik na challenge, kanya yung tatlo tubig-tib ko pa iti panag din na yung mas nakakasakit sa asawa. Basta, yung manayon ng tiya po may may San Charles yung ano ba yung manayon nyo wala kaya tinayon na. Congratulations, both of you. Congratulations.